Hello, this is Johnny Boy. I wanted to start off the year 2020 by giving all you guys the finger. That's what this is about. So, vanilla ARMA does not have a middle finger gesture built into the game, but in the campaign for Tanoa Apex, there was a long animation that this guy in the red shorts here is going to do that included a middle finger in the middle of it. So, what I've done is at mission start, we create this one guy with the red shorts, but he'll be off at position 000, and you will never see him as a player. But he's going to play that animation, and you'll see that animation in a second. And in exactly 8.3 seconds into that animation, he's holding up his middle finger. So at that point, I freeze him and disable his simulation so he has his middle finger up, and we keep him that way for the rest of the game, so that he is in effect a stunt double to be reused by any AI unit in the game for scripters to have somebody use the middle finger gesture. So let's watch the stupid long animation. That's difficult to use in a mission because he turns around. It takes 8.3 seconds, so it's not that useful, but since I've captured it, it's more useful with my little script. So I'm going to start it. This guy's going to do the long animation, and then he's going to freeze. So there he goes. He turns around, he's looking around, and I froze him. So that was 8 seconds, and now he's got the middle finger. So what this guy is, he's basically a stunt double to be reused. We're not going to see him. He's going to be off, placed in Never Never Land and invisible, in fact. But what we can do is at any given time we can issue a call to my script, and all these guys are going to run a script in a minute. And what happens is we will set pause this guy in green here, for instance, off to Never Never Land, and hide him and disable his simulation and substitute this guy in his place. But before we substitute him, we're going to give him the entire loadout, all the clothes and the exact face and headgear and eyewear, etc., so that you can't tell that it's the stunt double guy who's going to be given the finger. He gives the finger for a second or two, and then he disappears and the original unit comes back. So let's see how that works. Alright, so I've got a little loop going that each of these guys is going to give the finger, and we're seeing it happen here. He's given the finger, and it was really the stunt double giving the finger, but he's got the exact same clothes on. So it works pretty good. I had to get all the position right and the direction right and all that stuff. So I think, if you're a mission maker, this gives you an option to, if you're interrogating a civilian or something and he doesn't like you, he's going to give you the finger or whatever, it's useful. So I hope you guys like it. Happy New Year. I hope 2020 is a great ARMA year for everyone and a great year in general. Take care.